107.3, Kampala 96.9, Mbale 95.7, Jinja 98.6, Soroti.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm on air with Medical. We are from Up Arrows Entertainment, and we're going to be talking about what we call the Drama Light Show. It's going to be happening very soon, and I'm going to be introducing him. Then we'll pick some details on what is going to be happening and what is this all about. Good morning, Medi.
Yes, good morning, Madam Chantel.
How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
How is Up Arrows Entertainment?
Up Arrows is doing well. We are trying to push.
Okay, and when I hear Up Arrows, I mean, okay, I understand the part of entertainment. Now I need to know, what does Up Arrows do when it comes to the entertainment bit?
Okay, Up Arrows is generally an entertainment company.
Okay.
Probably aiming in uplifting the talents of our young generation.
Okay.
Including the film actors, the musicians, the comedians, the dancers, and mainly the drama actors.
Yeah. Now that leads me to the show that is coming up.
Exactly.
Okay. Maybe you'd like to tell us about the show that is coming up.
Okay. For the sake of that, we set and organized something aimed at extending the theatrical life to our people down.
Down where?
Down to those people who may not manage to go every time, every hour to theaters, so that we decided to extend them that life down to the clubs, to the hotels, and wherever. We transform life where anyone can go and enjoy.
So the Drama Light Show, tell us more about it.
The Drama Light Show, it's a show which mainly focused on showing people about the drama life.
The drama life. And
Yes.
you talked about people who cannot afford to go to certain places to get, to access drama, for example.
Yes.
So where is this show happening, and what exactly should we expect?
We do this mainly every first Saturday of the month. Okay. From Enzikona Machinj down there. So we decided, since people are having some need to go for theaters, and sometimes we find the theaters are only on high costs. So we know that some of people may be interested to enjoy that life, so that's why we decided to extend that life down to our people until they will get to know that even down there, everything can happen as it happened up in the theaters.
Okay, so as someone who may not be in position to go to the high-end theaters to maybe watch some drama, yet I'm interested, I would also be interested to know how, which actors are going to be there, which acts are going to be there, and now this is the question I'm posing to you.
Yeah.
Which people do we expect to see on stage, and is it on stage drama or it's already filmed and it's going to be watched?
No, it's not a film.
Okay.
This time around, we are bringing the stage drama called Kalalankoma, Mubikunta. I don't know whether you know that thing called Kalalankoma.
I know it's a pest that disturbs flowering plants.
Exactly. So it's very interesting drama that everyone must watch. Everyone must watch. It's all about something that you would like to know what is inside that Kalalankoma Mubikunta and how it behaves.
Okay, yeah. So which acts should we be looking forward to? What are some of the actors, or who are some of the actors that we're going to be seeing on stage? I
will do with the different actors.
Okay.
I have the man himself, Inspector Gita. We have our beautiful ladies, Justin Bella, Nola Florence, very big men and women, Big Vessel, and other surprised artists we do bring there.
Okay, and if I want to come and You said it's Kalalankoma, Mubikunta.
Kalalankoma, Mubikunta.
So if I want to know all about it, how do I access the tickets? How much are we paying to get in?
Tickets are variable, and to cut the story brief, the show is tomorrow.
Okay.
We've been analyzing, selling, doing everything, but the show is tomorrow. Happening from 6 p.m. to midnight from Andy's Corner Matching Day. Interest just 7K.
Just
ordinary,
7,000.
yeah.
Okay,
7K.
where do we get the tickets from, or I pay as I get in?
For those people who didn't manage to go up to the office, they may call and we contact so that they can access the tickets.
Oh,
Yeah.
so you can actually deliver the tickets?
All right, I can deliver.
Or you can't deliver the tickets?
I can deliver. I have the team which do on that issue.
Okay. And aside from the drama that we're going to be seeing on stage tomorrow, do we have any other piece of entertainment? Do we have some artists who are going to be there? Any other acts that we should be expecting for the night?
Yes, since it's a drama light show, we are not focusedly looking at drama, but we do, as you know, apparel is a variety.
Yes, you mentioned artists,
yeah,
you mentioned comedians and stuff like that.
Yes, so we do things in different ways. We always have artists, we have dancers, we have comedians, and all film actors one may want to look at. But probably we always have a surprise artist or a guest which we can't mention here, but for those people who have been following us, they know. We bring different people, we bring different actors, we bring different artists, and yeah.
All right, and as we get to the end of this interview, what would be the last word you have to someone who is interested in being a part of your company, but also being a part of tomorrow's event that is taking place? You could also give us the details one more time, and probably a contact we can use if we want to get to you to get some tickets.
Okay. In short, I would like to say that all people who would like to be with us tomorrow, the number is here. It's 0703 063 438. 0703 063 438. If you call, we can deliver the ticket to where you are, or you can WhatsApp us on the same number, then we can enjoy. Even though you want to do business with us, we do entertain people in different events. We do entertain people everywhere, so you can contact.
All right, thank you, Medical Warrior from Up Arrows Entertainment, and we wish you good luck tomorrow on the show that you will be airing. You said every first Saturday.
Every first Saturday of the month. We just be there at Andy's Corner.
Okay, thank you for coming to give us this information. Now, if you're someone that loves drama and you're not able to get to the high-end theaters, then this is your chance to go and see what happens the other side. At only 7,000, you will be in position to get in and get entertained. Thank you so much, Kawaya, for being with us this morning.